Welcome back to the show floor here at PPMA Total Show 2022. This is PPMA TV, brought to you by Mark and Mimage and our friend Kevin from PFM. Thank you very much for joining us. What have you brought with you to this year's show, Kevin?
Okay, well, this year what we've done is we've gone a bit more on the entry-level machinery, just to give an overview of what we do as a business. A lot of business nowadays is about the automation too. For instance here, like a flow wrapper. So we've got just an entry-level flow wrapper here, designed for many different products. Easy to change over, etc. But also, where we supply some of the bigger manufacturers, it's the automation that goes onto these machines. Okay. So this year is more about the automation on these standard bits of equipment that we have.
Yeah, some bread rolls or brioche or croissants going into those, but
brioche going into those bags, yes.
Jolly good. So that's the flow wrap. You've got a bagger over there. How about we take a quick wander over here and tell us what kind of customer this would fit for?
Okay, so this type of customer is a customer that's looking for flexibility and the different style of bags that it can produce. So this machine's slightly different to a standard bag maker with the film being at 90 degrees. We feed it across and basically we keep track of the film throughout. But the way it actually works is the film feed is continuous motion and they're producing the bags as intermittent motion. Giving us a lot of time to produce a different style of bags that are needed, the quad bag, pillow bag, gusseted bag for the marketplace, including pouches as well.
Okay, very nice. And again, in terms of, can we see it running? Yeah, if we can see it running, I think we'd love to see that. There we go.
Yeah, I just read home itself.
Normal caveat supply, ladies and gentlemen, with live demos on the telly. Sometimes, particularly when they're at shows, they just don't work. But this one seems to be working an absolute treat. So we've got the film going up, like you say.
Motion on the film and the intermittent motion on the ceiling assembly there, which enables us to create all the time to produce perfect bags, whether it be from a pillow bag, gusset bag, or a pouch style bag.
Very good. Tell you what, we'll stop it there. Excellent stuff. And then we've got a really cute, I don't want to say little, but this weigher is, I think this is a very beautiful piece of equipment. I always do.
It's a beautiful bit of equipment and it is a little weigher, shall we say. So this is our entry-level 10-head multi-head weigher. We got machines that go up to 24 head. Again, we got it here just to show what we can do, how we weigh or count from these types of machines, but also what we can do in the sense of feeding more than one product through there. So some of the weighers can now handle up to 6 different products, depending on the number of buckets which we have.
I do see up there is the vision system as well that's keeping an eye on what's going into the hopper on the top.
Yeah, so with the weighers, they're normally mounted up above the bag makers that we just looked at. Right. So they're at high level. So on the weighing systems, we have cameras, so you can actually keep an eye on the control of the product, see what's happening. So the operator from down on the ground level can see how all of the flow of the products are going into the buckets and just keep an eye on the situation of the feed to the machine.
Very good, and of course you can't bring all of your toys here to the show, but you can bring some pre-packaged films. What are we looking at here? Because I know you were keen to show this as well, Ken.
Yeah, so what we've got here really is just it's a lot more TV from us and using the app and the iPads to show people what we can do from an automation point of view. Over here we've got lots of bags which are done on the high-speed pouch machines. So we're one of the only companies with the pouch machine that is being produced on a magnetic drive system as opposed to mechanical. So the changeover times are a lot simpler and quicker than you get on standard machines. And we have speeds of up to 480 minutes from a horizontal pouch machine, which is not heard of.
That's fast enough, thank you very much indeed. Listen, thank you so much for chatting us through what you've got going on here. How's the show been today for you? Good chats, good conversations, good business?
Yeah, today has been extremely good. I would say up to around probably 2 o'clock, right, extremely busy. We could have done with more people here. There's lots of customers coming over, some new clients, but an awful lot of bigger companies today. So there's some good genuine products out there which, we're looking to be involved in.
Good quality leads, good quality conversations. Speaking of which, good chat with you just now. Thank you very much indeed for joining us on PPMA TV, Kevin.
Thank you to the PPMA as well.
Cheers.